Alright, on to the next one. I have a F150 bedside replacement here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one off. Now this is a horrible design by Ford. They put this foam inside here between this outer wheelhouse and the bedside, and moisture gets in here and causes it all to rust out. I actually have to repair my truck. It's actually rusting out in the same area. Alright, I got this bedside all fit up. Tailgate fits good. This back corner is all getting welded. I'm welding actually all of it. Normally I would weld the wheel well, the wheel housing, but being that this one was all rusted out through there, in order to hopefully help slow down that rust, I cleaned it up and I'm going to panel bond this through here in order to help slow down that rust in there. But I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on. Some weld through primer where all my spot welding is going to be. Alright, time to put this thing on for good this time. It's got a hook around this back corner and then I slide it forward.